Question 5. 5 letters are drawn on the square grid. How many of the letters have both parallel and perpendicular lines? This question is under the topic of geometry. We know that parallel lines are lines that will never meet, and perpendicular lines are lines that will meet at 90 degrees. For this question, we have to analyze each letter individually. For the letter F, we can see that there are parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Hence, we can put a tick to check that we have fulfilled both the criteria parallel and perpendicular lines of the question. For the letter H, there are also both parallel and perpendicular lines. So, we can also put a tick. For the letter L, there is only perpendicular line, which does not meet the question requirements. Hence, we can ignore this letter. For the letter M, there are both parallel lines and perpendicular lines. So, we can also put a tick. For the letter Z, there is only parallel lines identified. So, we can also ignore this letter. Now, we can count the total number of ticks to determine how many letters have fulfilled both the requirements of this question. Now, we can count the total number of ticks to check that we have answered the question. Since there are only 3 ticks, our answer is option 3.